Hey, welcome back to Vlogmas. I wanted to just apologize really fast that I haven't vlogged in the last couple days. I actually have vlogged, and then when I watch the footage back, I'm like, nobody cares about this. Literally, I haven't had anything exciting to do except for driving around in my car, and I went to Walmart, I took you there, and it was boring because it was so busy that I had to wait 30 minutes. It was actually 23 minutes in the checkout line just to buy 2 bags of those melts. And so anyway, long story short, I really haven't been doing anything exciting except for going to basketball games and running my kids around. And I went to a birthday party on Saturday, and I slept in on Saturday. And then yesterday, I wasn't gonna do anything. Aaron had started our laundry on Saturday, so all the laundry was done. He tidied up the house, it was perfect. And then my mom, I had asked her if she could help me with the hot cocoa bombs because I was just struggling with them so bad. And I had bought all of this stuff and I didn't want it to go to waste. And if she would help me. And so she did. And she came over yesterday for a few hours and we made a few. I'll show you guys in just a second, but I'm gonna finish these up today. So I'm going to make some more, and then I'm going to just drizzle the tops with some chocolate. I had big plans, I really did. I wanted to go all out on these, but I'm running out of time because Ainsley needs them this week because this is the last week of school before Christmas break, and so she wants to deliver these to her friends, which I don't blame her. And I want to hopefully make a couple because we have 2 little girls that live next door and across the street that Lincoln wants to give them to. So that's what I'm doing today. Nothing exciting. I'll just take you along the afternoon. My house is a mess, so hopefully you can look past that if you see it in the video. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good holiday. This is the time of the year or the time of the month where I start to feel it. You know, I'm getting overwhelmed. I still have Christmas shopping to do. I'm starting to cross things off my list of things I just can't get to. One of those really might be my gingerbread party. I think it might be. I'm just too overwhelmed. And I'm choosing a self-care little girls trip. Just overnight with my friend in replace of it, just because I think I need it. I think I just need it. And I don't know, it's not 100%, but if I'm gonna do it, it's gotta be this Sunday. So that leaves me with very little time to prepare for it. And I'm gonna be gone Thursday and Friday, so we'll see. I'm not gonna count it out completely just yet, but I'm considering it, so. Anyway, I hope you guys are it's just kind of a crazy time. You want to enjoy it, but it's also just really busy and crazy. So anyway, let's make some hot cocoa bombs. All right, here are the ones that we made yesterday, like I just showed you. So we got some gingerbread ones. These are the peppermint ones. You can see this one has a little bit of a hole in it, which I think once I'm gonna try and put I don't know. I might even just put that part down and then do the chocolate. You can see I just spilled the hot chocolate out of it. Anyway, this is not the best one, but these other ones all look great, perfectly fine. And then these are the ones that still need to be filled. And I want to make a couple more gingerbread ones because I have a little bit more of those. I'm out of chocolate, so nobody's getting chocolate. I have some white that I might just use for the drizzle. What else do I have left? I do have a little bit of red, but that's probably just enough for tops. And I want to make some salted caramel ones. So, and some green ones. So that's what we're gonna do. I have a mess. I didn't even clean up yesterday. I do have a whole basket over here full of meltables. I don't know why. I don't know. Do you think a peanut butter hot chocolate bomb would be good? I love me some peanut butter, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Anyway, I wish I had had one more chocolate one, but I don't think I do. But, oh, also, if you guys haven't tried these no sugar lily peppermint, they're good. They're really good in cookies that I'm gonna make some peppermint cookies this week. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I just melted the edge of that one, as you can see, and I'm gonna fill it with some hot chocolate. And I have these Hershey little things. I just like to put a couple in there. They're so cute. And I'm gonna put some sprinkles. You could put whatever you want in them. I just am using what I have here. And then I'm gonna top it with some marshmallows. I like the little dried marshmallows better, but I couldn't find them this year. And then I'm going to take the other side and I'm gonna melt that, and then it'll fit perfectly right on top of there. The hardest part is just like trying to like even these up. And then I just kind of rub my finger around the edge to kind of seal it. And then wipe off and there you go. So easy. So I'm gonna just make up, I have a couple more, I have 2 more of them to do. So I'm just gonna do them all the same. All right, here they are. I'm not claiming to be a professional, but once you get like all of the like pretty stuff on top, then they look professional. Right. Here are the bombs all done. They're not my best work, but they're gonna work. Kids don't care, right? Okay, so I have all of my bombs in little bags, and I'm going to just take this buffalo plaid gingham ribbon and just tie a little bow around here. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I'm a perfectionist, and it's not a good quality to have. And I'm also, with that results, I'm an all or nothing kind of person. And see, they look just fine, but the actual ball themselves are not perfect, and it's killing me inside a little bit. But we are just going to, old me would have thrown these all away and just bagged the whole thing. As you could have saw the other couple of days ago, I mean, this has been a several day project. But I'm really trying to just, done is better than perfect. I'm trying to like live by that motto. So these will be fine. The kids will enjoy them, and really that is all that matters. So I'm just going to keep, I mean, they are pretty cute in the little, with the little bow. Okay, here are the bombs. They turned out really cute. I love this little sparkly ribbon. It looks like it's like sugar coated. It's really pretty. But I must clean up this mess now. Everywhere is a mess. So let's do it. cleaned up. I even did all of the dishes. I'm just letting my mold dry off. And that's it. Now it's off to do all the motherly duties. So I will catch you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Bye-bye.